In her recent ruling, Judge Tanya Chutkan provided some relief to former President Donald Trump by preventing the Department of Justice from sending him to jail for breaching his gag order in his federal election interference case. Judge Chutkan reinstated the gag order and declined a request from federal prosecutors to incorporate it into Trump's release conditions, deeming it unnecessary for effective enforcement at this time. The temporary suspension of the gag order on October 20 has been lifted by Chutkan. She asserted that the right to a fair trial is not Trump's alone, but belongs also to the government and the public. Special counsel Jack Smith had expressed concerns that Trump's public comments could intimidate witnesses and harass prosecutors, leading to the initial issuance of the gag order. Former federal prosecutor and elected state attorney Michael McAuliffe emphasized that Judge Chutkan is adopting a careful and deliberate approach in light of the intense scrutiny surrounding the case. McAuliffe explained that she recognizes the need to wait until issues are ripe for resolution. Critics, including Trump and his supporters, have accused Judge Chutkan of pursuing a politically motivated case. Throughout the proceedings, she has been a target of Trump's criticism. Trump responded to the reinstated gag order on Truth Social, expressing his discontent and stating his intent to appeal. He questioned the restrictions placed on him as a leading candidate for campaigning freely. Judge Chutkan clarified that assessing whether a statement by Trump violates the gag order will require a fact-specific inquiry into the substance and context of each alleged violation. She emphasized that proceeding with caution in close cases does not render the underlying order unconstitutional or vague, contrary to Trump's claims. However, Chutkan did not enforce the order on Trump's recent comments about his former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, as it had not been in effect at the time. This marks the second gag order issued against Trump, with a previous one imposed by New York Judge Arthur Engoron in his civil fraud trial. Trump has incurred fines amounting to $15,000 thus far, while the trial remains ongoing.